If you're learning Korean and love K-pop or Korean food, you need to know how to say this. In Korean, we say 최애, short for the person or the thing you adore the most. So, for example, you're going to say 제 최애는 땡땡땡이에요 or 예요. So, for example, it's like 제 최애는 정국이에요. 제 최애는 tteokbokki예요. Now it's your turn. Who is or what is your 최애? Write in the comments. 잘했어요. If you're planning a summer trip to Korea, you need to know these words. 휴가, vacation, 바다, ocean, bikini, bikini, 수영, swimming, sunglasses, 방학, school vacation. What's your must-have summer words? 잘했어요. This is what it looks like when you learn Korean using your own face. 눈썹, 눈, 코, 입, 귀, 머리카락, 머리. 잘했어요. This is what it looks like when you learn Korean using your own face. 눈썹, 눈, 코, 입, 귀, 머리카락, 머리. 잘했어요.